Hello friends, welcome to another video on Flutter. So today we'll see how you can make your customized bottom navigation bar. So we will see a bottom navigation bar in this video. So let's start with the video, and I'm going to open my VS Code over here. And inside my VS Code there is nothing. I have just created a stateless widget, and I'm going to remove this. And you can see there is a stateful widget, and we have a container inside our build method, and I include a dependencies inside my perfect.yml file. So inside the dependency section I have included this curved navigation bar, and you have to include this, and then you have to run a command inside your terminal like flutter pubget, and it will then this will be get the like currently changes dependencies. So you have to include this dependency. And now I am going to create a bottom navigation bar. Before that, and I'm going to check this container, change this container as our material app. Inside this material app, we have a scaffold. I'm going to take, and inside a scaffold, I'm going to take app bar. App bar needs a title. And title needs a text widget, and I'm going to give the title as, and you can change the color also. I'll see here a property called background color. Okay, what is showing? You can see there is a property called background color. You can change the navigation bar background colors. So I'm going to give it as orange. So after this app bar, you can include a body like this, and body. I'm going to take it as a container. And after these bodies, we need a bottom navigation bar. So this bottom navigation bar, and I'm going to take a curved navigation bar over here because we included the curved dependencies inside our perfect.yml. So curved navigation bar, and you can see it is expecting some items. So okay. So these items expecting some widgets, and I'm going to give it as like this, and you can specify the widget's name here like this. And here we can define the what are the widgets you want to see inside your bottom navigation bar. For now, I'm going to take it as an icon because I want to see some icons inside my bottom navigation bar. Icons dot it is like a home, and I'm going to copy this one, and So you can change the icon for the different tabs, and I'm going to take it as edit is like a search. Mm, This one I'm going to take it as a search, and this one will be like add button. And this one you can take anything whatever you want, and it will be not like this. We have successfully built our items here, and now you can. Um, Before that, I'm going to run this, and let's check how our app is looking. So we have to run this from here. So it will take some time. So till then, I'm going to stop my recording, and after that, I will come and see how our app is looking. So we got the output. So let's check how it is looking. And you can see this is looking like this, and this is looking pretty cool. But we have to change something over here so that our background color and this color will be changed. Then it will be looking cool. And I'm going to change this color, this background color. I'm going to change. Like for that, inside a scaffold, there is the attribute called background color. Yeah, background color it needs a color dot. I'm giving it as a blue. You can give anything whatever you want. So it is my choice, and you can choose your color. And then inside this curved navigation bar, and there is an attribute called color, and this color I'm going to give it as colors.white. And there is another attribute called background color, and this background color should match with this body's background color. Then it will look uh, it will look same. So I'm going to give it as colors dot blue. And there is one more attribute here that is button background color. You can change the button background color also. For now, I'm going to give it as white. You can change all these things according to your need. So now I'm going to check how it is looking. So it will take some time. So for a couple of seconds, then it will run. Yeah, you can see it is looking very nice. And now now if you selected any item, and it will change accordingly. So it is looking pretty cool, and I'm going to decrease the size of this bottom navigation bar. So there is an attribute called height, I guess. So let's check. Yes, you can change the height according to your need. Now, if I run this, then it will be changed. So let's wait. You can see this is changed, like the size. This height is changed. And so you can increase this button or increase the icon size. Like I'm going to increase this one. There is an attribute called size. You can give it anything, whatever you want. Now if I run this, so you can see after the build is finished, it will automatically selected the home one. You can see, yeah, you can see it is automatically selected home one. So you can change by default value, by default tabs, what you want to select it by default whenever you run this app. So like if I selected the plus one, so you can see it is increase, and you can increase. Like I'm going to give it as 40, and you can change the selected item. Like there is an attribute called, I guess, selected. Okay, sorry, there is an attribute called index, and index by default I am giving it as 2. Now if I run this, then you can change the difference. Okay, index I give it as wrong. That's why it's showing error. It will be like this. So you can see by default it is selected the plus one. It's not selected the home one. So you can change the default value of the selected tab. And apart from this, there is an attribute called animation duration. And you can change the duration of the animation, like whenever you selected any particular tab, and you can change the time, like how much time it will take after selecting any tab. Like you can specify in seconds or in milliseconds also, I guess. Yeah, milliseconds you can give it as microseconds also, minutes, whatever you want you can check it. So I'm going to give it as seconds, uh, 0 0.5. I'm going to give like 1 second, then you can see the difference. And there is a one more attribute called curved animation, I guess. So let's check. So my system is too much slow, that's why it is um, taking too much time to show the suggestion. So inside this curve animation card, you can specify any animation and you can define your own animation over here. Um, like this. Curves, I think it is curve dot. Yeah, you can say bounce, in and out. Anything, whatever you want, you can specify your own animation here. And it will showing some error, so I guess it will be seconds. Um, and if I run this, then you can see the difference, like what the duration and the animation. But animation is same, like we not want any animation like inside our bottom navigation, but you can define like this. So let's wait for a couple of minutes. And you can change this color also, this bottom navigation bar from here, like this background color, sorry, this color. this color will be, you can change and you can see what is the difference. And so we have successfully run our app and we got the output, and you can see the icon size is increased, but not this one. Only I have specified the size is in the add button. So it is only increased. So if you check for the other one, it will be small. Yeah, you can see. And you can see the animation also like changed. It is too much slow before like than before. So so this is bottom navigation bar. You can try it, and there is sorry, there is one more attribute called on tap. Yeah, and so like this you can specify any index, like you can do something inside any tab, so you can do something. Yeah. Mm, yeah, so inside this on tab method you can do whatever you want. So this is our bottom navigation bar. And if you like the video, please subscribe my channel for the latest video and updates. And we will see another topics. I will be covering another topics in my next video. So till then, thank you.